Jaja, come here. Dali. Yay. Dali, dali. Dali, dali, dali. 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 Come here. Come here. Oh. Hello everyone. It's a laid-back Saturday. This is Joan of Art and my pet Aspin Jaja. Asong Pinoy. In Ilonggo, aso is Ido. So maybe it's Ido Pin. So this is Jaja, my Aspin. Now, to my real topic, I think she was attracted with the sound of my nose flute. I'm not really a nose flute expert, but I like this for my breathing exercise. So we will discuss what a nose can do. Ilonggo words for all the nice and helpful things that the nose does. Nose is ilong. That's ilong for Jaja as well. So first and foremost, the nose lets us breathe. So breathe is ginhawa. Ginhawa is both a verb and a noun, and like breathe and breath. So it's just one word for the noun and verb ginhawa. So breathe, ginhawa. So playing the nose flute requires also some kind of breathing technique. So I'm still learning that. She likes it. You want to sing with me? Smell in Ilonggo is simhot. Simhot. When you say smell it, simhota. Or if you want to say smell this, simhoti. So simhota and simhoti are derivatives of the word simhot or smell. The noun smell, on the other hand, is baho. Baho doesn't necessarily mean awful smell or foul odor, like baho. Say mo baho, baho, baho. Baho means bad smelling. You smell bad. Baho. But the generic word for odor or smell is also called baho. Take note of the stress in the syllable. The noun for smell, which is baho, is stressed in the first syllable, but the stress for baho, which is an adjective, baho, is on the second syllable for an awful smelling smell. So that's baho. The nose also does this. So when you push out air through your nose, it's called pusnga. So just remember push, but it's pus without an H, pusnga. So when you play the nose flute, you can use the pusnga. That's pusnga. To sneeze is hachi, hachi, hachi. If you have a stuffed nose and there's phlegm inside, the phlegm or the sputum is called sip-on. And if you want to excrete the sip-on from your nose, it's called sigma. This is Joan of Arc and Jaja. See you next time. Bye for now.